Interview question 23. Tell me about a time when you went above and beyond for a customer. Now, this question is being asked to assess your ability to deliver excellent service to customers so they return to the business and recommend it to their friends and family. Describe a specific situation where you helped a customer and you met their needs. Now, if you never served a customer before, explain what you would do to deliver great service. Here is a perfect response. Tell me about the time when you went above and beyond for a customer. In my last job, I was helping an elderly customer on the telephone place an order from our website. They haven't bought online before, so they were anxious and unsure of the process. I asked questions to determine their level knowledge before ensuring that they were in safe hands. I walked them through the ordering process, and although the call took me 15 minutes to complete, the customer was very pleased with the service. Another great answer. Interview question. Okay.